Hey guys, it's KV here and you are watching KV Editing Zone. So some days ago I created a post for video suggestion and one of you requested for VHS or retro effect. So now let's create this effect in KineMaster. So without any delay, let's get started. So now open your KineMaster application and create a new project. So now choose 16:9 ratio and click on next. So now add your video. So I will trim some of the part of the video, so I will make the video of length 20 seconds. So now let's do some adjustment. So select the video and now go to the adjustment option. Now we will adjust first three things from here. So decrease the brightness and now increase the contrast here, and similarly you have to decrease the saturation. Make slight change on the settings only. So after that click on tick. So now let's add some effects. So for that go to the layer option and effect option. So we will be using the Vhs Rewind Effect, Split Spectrum Effect, and last Scan Wave Effect. So now let's download this effect. So for that go to the store. Now on the store you can find the glitch option. So go to that and you can find the Vhs Rewind here. So install this effect. Now let's go back. So now go to the noise option. So on the noise option you can find Scan Wave Effect. So you have to download this effect also. So now for the last effect, now go to the color option and download this Split Spectrum Effect. So we will be using these three effects to create retro effect. So now let's use this Scan Wave Effect. So fill the effect on the screen. So now click on tick. Now let's increase the duration of this effect. So make till the end of the video. Now let's do some adjustments. So go to the setting option. Now disable this first option. You have to disable the wave effect also. So you have to do these two adjustments only in this video. So now let's add our second effect. So now go to the effect option and add the Split Spectrum Effect. So make till the end of the video. So now apply this effect on the whole screen. After that click on tick and go to the setting option to adjust some settings. So you have to do some adjustment only here. So make the distance of 1 and speed of 3. So now scroll down and you have to disable this scan line. So now we are done. So click on tick. So I think this effect is small. So let's decrease the opacity. So select the effect and go to the opacity option. And now keep the opacity of about 50%. So I think that will be fine for me. So now let's add our last effect. So go to the layer option and effect option and add the Vhs Rewind Effect. So make this effect small. So now you can apply this effect on the whole screen. So now let's expand our timeline and at the setting option you have to keep the speed of about 30. So you can also keep it as your need. So for now I will keep 30. So now select the effect and go to 3 dot and create a duplicate or pit. So you have to apply this on some part of the video. So create a duplicate again and apply on other parts. So you can randomly place this effect on different parts of the video. So for now I will do it quickly. So now let's add the retro cam overlay. So for that go to the media option and you can find the video option. So to download the video go to the store option and on the store you can find the intro section. Go to that and at last you can find the retro cam. So you have to download this video. So now let's use this video. So apply this video to the whole screen. So now we have to blend this overlay with our video. So go to the blending option and choose the blending option to multiply. So now let's add our last overlay. So go to the layer option and media option and add this overlay. So I will give the link of this overlay in the description. So now let's go to the blending option and choose the blending option to screen. Now let's adjust this overlay properly. So after that, increase the duration of this overlay. Make this overlay till the end of the video. Now select the retro cam overlay. So go to 3 dot and bring this overlay to front. So now we have successfully created the retro effect. Now let's add some music to this video. To add music, go to the audio option. Now select your music and add it. Now let's see the result. If you like my content, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you want me to make videos on any topic, let me know in the comment section, and you can check our more editing tutorial playlist on the right. So thank you for watching.